Okay guys, welcome back to QT Fishing Adventures. Today I got the mystery tackle box, $29.99, shipped straight to your door. It's Christmas every month. I got the Pro Edition. MysteryTackleBox.com. Right off back, guys. Catch and win. Catch and win. Catch a fish using the box. Baits in this box. Measure. Use the ruler below to see if you have a keeper. 3. Share a picture of your fish on Instagram using the hashtag MTBKeeper. You got a chance to win, guys. It's not only providing you the bait, it got a ruler and a little competition. You know, who don't like a little competition? So, the first thing I'm gonna pull out, you know, QR code you can scan. Code not working, visit the link above. So if the code not working, you'll have to visit the link that they got on top of that. I don't know what that's about. You know, we ain't gonna check that out right now. They come with a cool little sticker, a bass sticker. You know. You got a mystery tackle box, fishing tips and tricks. You know, they even teaching you. Come on now. They send the baits right to your door and give you instructions of how to use. How you gonna beat that? You know, I'm learning. Got different types of fish in there. Show you little stuff. You know, I'm scanning through this here. Look at this here. This is catch a fish using the bait you have received in your MTB. Step 2, share a picture of your fish on Instagram using the hashtag keeper. Man, this little girl probably could fish hot fish all y'all, man. Look at her. That girl got a tank. Y'all see that there? Look at Charlie. Charlie like he coming in second. You know, that's cool. You know, they give you a book. They trying to teach you how to use the baits that you're getting. Right off back, we got Toll Runner Jr. Look at that. Toll Runner Jr. A top water bait. To get that top water action, you got to, y'all see that there? Junior. All day. Bass Candy. ACC crappie stick. The shank. 2.5 long. You know, they brand color. They got the green with the lime green. Come on now. Y'all see it? That's the first bait. Well, second bait, excuse me. We got the Shad T Hollow, a swimmer bait. Don't look like nothing fishy. They got the yellow, orange with the green specks in it. Okay, see that? They got some little minnow bait. This used to catch like little panfish. See that? Tadpoles. They'll eat that up. Crappies, they'll eat that up. Okay, we got the Blue Fox. Y'all see that? It say cover the water. Blue Fox, cover the water. What y'all think? Y'all think y'all catch something with this bait here? I think it'll work all day. Try that. It comes with some hooks. Hooks. Three-aught. Incredibly sharp and reliable. Y'all see that? He made me believe. He got a little hat on with a little mustache, man. You think he know what he doing? Okay, the last bait called the Let's Swear Bib. There you go. A crankbait. That's all you get, man. $29.99. If y'all think it's worth it, I don't know, man. You got a little challenge. You got tips and tricks. You got a ruler. What y'all think? With a little fancy sticker. $29.99. Y'all join us. MysteryTackleBox.com. Come get you a box.